I went to Flower and Garden Festival at EPCOT in Disney World. It was awesome. EPCOT isn't just about rides and food, it's also a shopper's paradise. That's why I want to share with you their huge store creations. Once you step inside, you get excited with all those beautiful things. Here at EPCOT in Disney World, you can find incredible types of merchandise from around the globe. Everything from unique cultural souvenirs to exclusive Disney collectibles. If you are into shopping mood, EPCOT got you covered. They got all kinds of stuff, international goodies, Disney gear, rare finds. It's a treasure hunt around the world. These are on sale and that's a big plus. Continue watching this journey around the world and pick your favorite stuff. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.